Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Wanted to go over, kind of give you an overview or a highlight as to one of the topics we'll be discussing when we meet in person, and for those who are online, when we set up our next discussion forum. Uh, Here we're talking about full stack web architecture, and this is basically a table overview. And just want to give you an idea basically of what we are going to be touching in this class versus what are all the aspects of web architecture that we could delve into. So with the within the 7 weeks that we'll be talking about as far as web design and building various websites, I just want to kind of give you an overview that of the, what is it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, of the 20 categories that we're basically showing here, then we're basically dealing with 5 of them. The client UI, client services, web service, app layer, and database. So just want to kind of give you a picture that based on the full stack, we're just touching a few of these items as far as building a website. Do want to emphasize that many of the things that are shown here are basically built into Node and Express. Okay, they do this for us. Um, we as web designers are basically those who consume services. So looking at all these items within the architecture, all of these are individual services that we can utilize in order to build our website. We, in this class, will be going over just a few of them, but just wanted you to know that of the various pieces that we have here, each one provides a service. Web design is just which services do I want to pick and choose in order to build my website. Okay, so we'll be discussing this more and more in detail as we move along through the weeks, but want to just kind of give you an overview of what the full stack web architecture view is. Ah, and just kind of reminder, full stack web architecture says from the very beginning to the very end, what are all the pieces and components we need to make the web design or make the website work. So it's the full gambit, okay, of what happens in order to make those services available to us. We'll be talking about other aspects later, like client server architecture. What does it look like? And also, as far as the client server is only one of many, one of your assignments is to have a discussion board of what are our alternatives to client server. So you can see where client server basically fits in with the whole architecture discussion.